5 different contracts.
I believe that.
Some good and some bad.
Yeah. Oh, rocks. Oh. Woo. Dang it. Woo. Not good, Dave. Not good. Jump on it real quick, didn't you, buddy? You jumped on it, son. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Come on in here. Come on in here. Go. Whoa. All right, bro. All right, then. Woo. Pretty little fella. Man, look at that color. Good looking fish. Thanks, buddy. Somebody got it. Somebody got it. Playing in my float. What are you looking for? Woo, fish on. There you go, little bag. I don't believe so. There you go. Hang on, let me get you out. Figure out where you hook. There you go. There you go, buddy. Fish on camera. Fish in the boat. Another little fella. Dang, that's all I can get. I tried soft plastics. Can't get anything bigger. I thought I'd go back and he swallowed that sucker. Good Lord, dude. He was hungry, wasn't he? Man. How did you swallow that big freaking spinnerbait, man? I gotta give me one of those hook retrieval tools, y'all. Oh. Alright, wait. GoPro's not on anymore, Dave. Beautiful little fish, man. Can't find any big ones. Interesting. Oh, little fella. Another little fella. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. All right. You got 2 hooks, man. I hear you. There you go. All right, hang on. Hang on. They're getting smaller, you two. Not a good sign. Oh, there's one. Another little feller. There you, man. Dance it up. The boys are feisty, I'll give you that. I'll give you that. Oh, hey, there you go. There you go. Slappity slap. Oh, that's a little better bass. That's a little better. Maybe the biggest one of the day, but I ain't saying much. You bigger than the other ones. Hang on, brother. Hang on. Dude, be cool. I broke my jig apart. Hey, you nice little fella. Thank you, man. Somebody that got hold of you. Appreciate you, buddy. Woo. Knock my jig head loose. Got my spinner on whopper jaw. Looks like spin baits are the ticket today, y'all. Now I'm throwing a big one. Man, this water's been shallow. There's a couple of deep spots, but not many.